For months, astronomers watched a strange green comet named 3I Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar visitor after Oumuamua and Borisov. But on September 19, 2025, everything changed. An amateur astronomer in Chile captured something shocking: 9 dim objects, smaller than Atlas, moving in perfect formation around it like sentinels orbiting a command ship. Within 48 hours, NASA, the James Webb Telescope, and observatories across the world confirmed the impossible: 10 synchronized bodies entering our solar system, glowing, uniform, and utterly alien. Spectroscopic analysis made things even stranger. Each companion emitted nearly 20 gigawatts of energy, more than any known natural source for an object its size. It defied every model of astrophysics. They radiated like small stars, powered by something far beyond fusion or chemistry. When scientists ran simulations, every program failed unless exotic matter or antimatter was factored in. These weren't ordinary rocks, they were engines. Machines. Then came the impossible timing. For months, no instrument detected any companions. Then, in less than a millisecond, they appeared, too fast for any telescope to capture. It was as if they had deployed, not arrived. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb called it the mothership event, Atlas shedding probes upon entering the solar system. The 9 objects weren't debris, they were scouts, forming a living constellation. The formation's precision terrified analysts. Unlike debris clouds that scatter chaotically, these bodies maintained perfect distance and symmetry. They moved like satellites bound by invisible control, adapting to gravity and solar pressure with exact precision. Energy bursts flickered between them in rhythmic pulses, like communication signals. One would flare, then another, then Atlas itself would respond, its brightness spiking in perfect sequence. It was as if they were talking, exchanging data in a plasma-coded language. Then, a directed energy beam from the convoy struck the Moon's Mare Tranquillitatis region, an area long known for dense gravitational anomalies called mascons. The beam wasn't visible, but radio telescopes picked up its signature. Was something buried beneath the lunar surface, something waiting to be activated? Meanwhile, another giant, c. 2025 R2 Swan, approached from the opposite direction, 100 times larger than Atlas. Both bodies were set to reach perihelion within days of each other, aligned almost perfectly during solar conjunction when the Sun blocks Earth's view. To some, that timing was deliberate, a rendezvous hidden behind the Sun's glare. Humanity would be blind during the most critical moment. Then came silence. NASA and ESA halted updates. James Webb's high-resolution images were withheld. Leaked frames showed symmetrical structures, not natural fragments. Astronomers began to whisper of an information lockdown. The 9, as they were now called, formed geometric triads rotating in a fixed pattern around Atlas, their symmetry too precise to be random. Each shift in position compensated for gravitational drift, as if guided by a shared intelligence. Radio observatories detected synchronized bursts every 43 seconds, identical across the world, forming harmonics that matched the spacing of the companions. It was a network, a communication grid in motion. Some believed they were speaking to something even farther away, perhaps a receiver beyond our reach. Historians began to notice eerie parallels, ancient records describing 10 lights in the sky moving as one, from Babylonian tablets to Chinese manuscripts. Was this a recurring event across human history? If so, these visitors had come before, and now, they had returned.